Okay, screw you, Intermountain Healthcare. You're a lousy medical corporation, a lousy hospital. Okay? We've been sent to collections for nearly every bill that we have had with them. It's emergency room. You know, I had one I was on a payment plan that I got a little behind on, like 2 or 3 months behind on, and when I go online to make a payment, I've been sent to collections. Okay. I was paying on 2 of my wife's bills at this place, right? At the hospital here in town. I've been paying them online. The one bill is an emergency room bill, which they haven't sent me to collections for yet, but it's more recent than this one. This was just a hospital visit, I guess, to the clinic there or whatever. I currently owe $47.64. I was paying both bills at the same time online. I do 25 to 35 on the one and 10 on this one. We had $47.64 left. Okay, so I've been paying $10. They sent me to collections for it. For $47 freaking dollars. And they have the minimum amount, they have $10 here. That's what I was paying online anyway, you freaking morons. You're gonna destroy my wife's credit just for that? No? Up yours. They sent us to some collection agency called Optimum Outcomes. But what's the difference between me paying online or sending money to them? Now you're not going to get it any faster. Because I lose all these. They're laying around the house. We got like 5 or 6 of these that we had sent to... There's another company. My son's dentist sent us to collections for $100. My wife's insurance she had at the time at her workplace wasn't paying anything on it. They didn't have the funding. They recently fixed it after she lost her insurance because she had her hours cut, right? So she canceled her insurance at a time for Obamacare. But they weren't paying anything. Her insurance company wasn't paying anything. We had another bill that they hadn't paid on, and we waited and waited. And the dentist had already sent us to the collections company. And then I gave them the information about the insurance, and then they were going to look into it, and then like a little bit later they finally contacted us again. Their insurance company does not have the funding, blah, blah, blah. We can't wait any longer. This needs to be paid in full, yada, yada. Anyway. But Intermountain Healthcare, Intermountain WebPay sucks. Okay? Intermountain Healthcare sucks. They don't understand that everybody's not rich. You know, and I've been told by several people that it's against the law for them to send you to collections if you even pay them so much as like $5. But, you know, on their little statements, it says something like, blah, blah, blah. Any bill not set up on a payment plan may be subject to collections. So they're above the law. They can make their own rules. I cannot believe they did that. I'm paying $10 a month on it anyway. And they send me to collections for it, and the minimum amount is $10 freaking dollars. What's the freaking difference? Also, we had a message on our machine to call their billing services or whatever, and I called them, and I didn't have a copy of the bill with me, and blah blah. And they say that, oh, this one I have to pay $700 something on. The only way they can take it is if I pay it all in full. Because they told me that one was sent to collections. That's not the one I was calling about. Apparently, since my wife's name is on it and my name's not on it, I have no say. So they sent her to frickin' collections for $47. Screw you, Intermountain Hospital. Screw you. Okay? Intermountain Medical Care, whatever frick you're calling yourselves. They send people to collections. They think people are made out of money. You know, some of us aren't lawyers or doctors or professional athletes. Some of us are janitors or cooks or freaking cord or crap like that. Some people are working part-time warehouse jobs and have like 5 kids. Not me, but it's all about money. Money, money, money. It's all about money with the hospitals and crap like that. Why do you think doctors are so rich? I don't want to get into that. You know, professional athletes are overpaid, in my opinion. You know, doctors should be making enough money to save people's lives, but such a minuscule amount, and they send collections. They can't wait for me to get online and pay it. Go eat a frickin' dick.